This is Pambros, 30 minutes drive from Accra. A very beautiful place of swamps, lagoons and rivers. This place is very important to a lot of creatures. Including humans. Both animals and humans feed from here. Other creatures like fish and crabs make here their home. Humans collect salt from here as well. Animals live here and have not destroyed it for ages. Humans like here and have come here recently to build a road to divert some of their ways of wasting time. But they are doing more than that. They are throwing their waste into the water here. This waste include rubber, polythene, metal, plastic, which pose serious threat to the environment. This type of waste has destroyed other places like this in Accra. Sometimes the creatures that feed from here mistake this waste for food, which kills them. The humans must know that if their actions like this do not stop, these birds and other creatures who call here home will die, and this beautiful place is going to be dead. The humans must realize that this place is more than what this sign says. This place is also the dominion of other creatures who own and have a right to live here.